Hey guys, welcome back. So new project for today. We are working on a Lazy Susan pedestal for the plants out front. Now this is what we're working with. These two junipers up on these little pedestals, and what they've done is they're not getting the right amount of sunlight to the back. So I've already assembled one of the Lazy Susans now, and what it'll allow it to do is to turn so the back end of the juniper can get sunlight. Now I've already done one, so let's do the other. So Michelle picked up these Lazy Susans from Amazon, and they'll be able to hold about 1,000 pounds. For each Lazy Susan, we have two 14-inch circles that we cut out of plywood. Then we primed and stained them or painted them. And then what we'll do is we'll affix these to the Lazy Susan itself and then put it underneath the pot, and that'll allow it to rotate. All right, the things you're going to need wood screws, drill. You need a couple different style drill bits. We've got a 1/2 inch here, and then this is actually meant for cutting the holes in a door for a doorknob. And that's what we're going to use to cut a hole in the center to have water drainage. Other than that, you're going to need something to measure to make sure everything is spaced correctly. Using the holes provided on the Lazy Susan itself, we're going to make the markings for these pilot holes and then use a 1/2 inch drill bit to drill them out. Before you attach the Lazy Susan, make sure it is centered. Once you get everything lined up, the hole that you have is actually lining up with a hole that is attached to the Lazy Susan, the larger hole. And that'll allow you to access smaller holes on the inside to attach the bottom board to the Lazy Susan. We're going to be going for the smaller ones. Now there are 4 of them, so you're going to move and rotate it. Once you get that one done, you're going to move and find the next one right here. And their second hole allows us to find the other ones as well. Drill bit broke on the inside. So that one didn't work, but luckily I have a secondary one. Because the Lazy Susans we picked out can hold up to 2,000 pounds, I think we'll have no problem keeping them watered and being able to always turn them. Now, overall, I think they turned out great and they work perfectly. Hope it helped. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
Double kick.